with this car, which is a 1967?
No, 68.
1968,
Series 1.5.
Series 1.5.
4.2.
So tell me exactly how you discovered this car.
I went to buy some parts from a dealer. He told me about this car that had been in a garage for nearly 30 years.
So the car last run 30 years ago, and it was a basket case, but you have applied your magic to this. And what did you do to get it to actually turn over and run?
Well, I was told that the engine had no compression, and I gave it a compression test. They were all around about 80 or 90 compressions, enough to get the thing started. So went through all the plugs, the points, the leads, put fresh fuel in a bowl, not in the tank, because the tank was rusty. And the main thing was clean the carburetors. I did that, and there's no word of a lie, it instantly started.
So this is a late Series 1, right?
Yeah.
So there are some elements of Series 2 on it.
Yeah, it's a late series, well, it's a Series 1.5, that's what they were termed. This one still keeps the Series 1 dash with the ordinary type of flick switches instead of toggle switches. But it's turned into a Series 2 with this choke knob and these ventilation knobs. That's Series 2, and this bit down here as well.
You think the leather these were restored as well, you think?
Well, no, it had a change of interior, and it was done professionally. You can see it's been done professionally.
And the doors themselves, you think, are not bad, really?
They're not bad.
No.
They need a good clean, but I just want to leave it as she is, but tidy.
Yeah.
Look at that bonnet. I mean, that's better than my Roadster. I mean, that's just... What?
No, if you say so.
Yeah,
and what about the actual state of the engine itself?
once I'd got it running, I'd left it running for 25 minutes. I then did another compression test, and they all come up to 155 pounds. Now that says to me that this engine's been rebuilt and's probably got 8-to-1 compression pistons in it as opposed to 9-to-1. Because if it had 9-to-1, it would be 180, 185.
Oh, there's an original radio in there as well.
Yes,
What is that?
Radio.
It's a radio mobile, is it?
I think it is, yes.
Wow. And you found on this car, are these the new tyres that you found on the car?
Well, the annoying thing is that obviously they're over 30 years old now, these tyres, but to buy a Dunlop SP Sport will cost you £400 per tyre.
And you've got 4 of them?
I've got 5 of them.
5 of them?
So,
wow, that's amazing. Is that the original alternator?
It looks like it, and it's actually charging.
So here's the question. Are you going to restore this car?
I think I'll probably push myself into doing it, yes.
And that will be a while ahead of us.
But it will be not a full restoration. It'll be a sympathetic restoration. I will only do what's necessary just to keep the old girl running. That's it.